Hi everyone, thanks for listening. So today I'm presenting my work on social preferences and norms. So basically the question that I'm trying to answer is what social norms can sustain if agents have social preferences and they interact over time. So to answer this question, I propose a theoretical model where we have an infinite society of agents who have personal morals that they want to follow and social preferences, namely they want to follow or match others' behavior and they want to match the morals of others. So what others think should be done. The interaction is a static game. First, nature assigns a moral to each agent, then agents learn their own moral and simultaneously choose an action. Finally, they obtain their payoffs that are going to depend on their action, their moral, the actions of others, and the morals of others. This allows me to have agents that in stage one are going to make choices that depend on their empirical expectations and normative expectations. Now, the equilibrium concept that I use is called self-confirming equilibrium. And what it's saying basically is that in equilibrium, agents best respond to their beliefs about the distribution of actions and to their beliefs about the distribution of morals. Moreover, I require that behavior is correctly forecasted, so agents have correct empirical expectations in equilibrium. However, others' morals might be misperceived, so they may hold wrong normative expectations. Then to put together or to reconcile the empirical and normative expectations, agents hold conjectures that are basically beliefs about how others best respond to their moral, to their intrinsic preferences and social preferences. So different pairs of beliefs about distribution of morals and conjectures about how people respond to their morals and beliefs can explain different distributions of actions. And the goal of the analysis is understanding the set of equilibrium outcomes, which is basically, from my understanding, the set of norms that can sustain in time. So sometimes we will have that agents can disentangle others' morals from their actions, and in this case, the equilibrium outcome will be unique. So we will have a unique collective behavior or a unique social norm that sustains in time. Sometimes even small misperceptions of others' best responses, so small mistakes in the conjectures, will lead to a wrong understanding of the distribution of morals by agents and ultimately lead to multiple equilibrium outcomes. So we will have that multiple social norms could sustain in time. This multiplicity arises due to wrong beliefs and small mistakes in the conjectures, but not due to coordination problems or signaling motives as in previous literature. So I'm shutting down these channels and showing how multiplicity of social norms arises only due to the wrong beliefs. So let's go briefly to the results. The first proposition is saying that if agents want to follow their own morals and are subject to social influence only through the actions of others, the equilibrium outcome is unique. So this is equivalent to saying that we have a unique descriptive norm that can sustain over time. Proposition 2 is saying that if agents hold correct conjectures, so they understand very well how others respond to their morals, and they are subject to some sort of social influence. So apart from caring about matching or following their own moral, they care about matching either the actions, the morals, or both of others. Then the set of equilibrium outcomes is also unique. So we will have a unique social norm. Importantly, this is the efficient social norm or the efficient collective behavior. This is what proposition 3 is saying. And well, this is not surprising because as expected, the equilibrium with correct conjectures that lead to correct beliefs in equilibrium is more efficient than other type of equilibria that are sustained by wrong beliefs. And let's see now whether this type of equilibria sustained by wrong beliefs exist. Proposition 4 is saying yes, it does, and it exists whenever people care about others' morals, no matter whether they also care about others' actions or not, and when others may not be well understood, so when we allow for conjectures to be incorrect. And this set of equilibrium outcomes or set of norms that can sustain in time always includes the efficient social norm, that is the one that is sustained by correct conjectures and beliefs. So to sum up, a distribution of actions can be explained by different pairs of beliefs and conjectures. And when social influence is only through actions, this is unimportant for behavior. So there will be a unique descriptive norm. However, when social influence is also through morals, different beliefs might lead to different behaviors. And there will be multiple social norms sustained in time. Importantly, equilibria other than the efficient one are sustained by some degree of misperception of others' best responses. That's it. Thanks for listening. Comments are very welcome. Feel free to email me in this email address. Thanks.